No likes. No subscriptions. No bell rituals. This offering flows freely, no claims, no campaigns, and absolutely no need to believe. It rests entirely on your free will and inner discretion to follow or not. The only intention here is to awaken leaders and torchbearers of truth, not to gather blind followers. You are free to receive, ignore, reflect, or share. Attraction over promotion is the theme. No copyrights, only full rights to copy. But only after sincere inner reflection and first-hand verification. Let it pass through your experience. Only then does it truly become yours to carry forward. However, there are strict guidelines, and they are for your own benefit. The content here is not for intellectual games or debates, it is for experiential awakening. The purpose is to eradicate ignorance, not to add more. Do not believe or disbelieve anything until you have tested it yourself. Your experience and logic must be the only tools you trust to determine the truth. If you cannot yet grasp some parts, do not claim to know, leave them in the category of I don't know yet. But don't rush to conclusions.
An earnest request. Please reflect, verify, and establish the truth of contents through your own direct experience and inner logic before moving on next video. If it does not resonate as true or credible, you are free and even encouraged to opt out from further viewing. Otherwise, it may turn into mere information overload, birthing biases or blind beliefs, which goes against the very essence of this offering. Not to feed the mind, but awaken the being.
Forward of caution. This series is not for the faint-hearted, nor for the blindly obedient who never question. It is reserved for those fierce enough to interrogate their inherited beliefs and possessed by an unrelenting hunger for raw, unfiltered truth. Every assumption you hold sacred, every so-called truth, is dragged to the brink of collapse. Traditionalists, conformists, and the comfortably orthodox are strongly advised to turn away. What lies ahead is not safe, it is exposed, dissected, and laid bare, open not only to radical improvisation but to ruthless falsification as well. Challenge every idea if you must, but let your disagreement be grounded in direct experience and uncompromising logic alone. If you resonate with the intent and agree to the spirit of these guidelines, you may now proceed to explore the channel.